Hello, everyone. Today, we will address an important question. Do photovoltaic panels require regular cleaning? Accumulations of pollutants such as smog residues, road dust, plant particles, and various sediments can result in a degradation of electricity generation in a residential photovoltaic installation, potentially reducing its output by approximately 30%. Furthermore, the presence of leaves, bird droppings, and other organic contaminants can lead to an additional decline in production, with reductions ranging from 10% to 20%, and according to sources like Business Insider, potentially even up to 42%. It's important to note that rainfall alone is not sufficient to remove such accumulations, and in some cases, it may even act as a catalyst for dirt buildup. Extended neglect of the photovoltaic installation can give rise to the growth of moss and various types of lichen, which not only hinder panel performance but may also cause damage to the panels themselves. Cleaning solar panels is a crucial factor in maintaining their optimal performance. Regular cleaning can significantly increase energy production, even by up to 100%. Why is this so important? Firstly, solar panels are exposed to weather conditions and pollutants. Dirt, dust, leaves, bird droppings, and other deposits on the panels can substantially reduce the amount of sunlight reaching the panel surface. This, in turn, limits the efficiency of converting solar energy into electrical energy. Regular panel cleaning helps remove these contaminants, restoring them to their maximum efficiency. Not cleaning panels can have a significant impact on the system. It not only decreases efficiency but can also lead to the buildup of layers of dirt and deposits that become harder to remove in the future. In extreme cases, such dirt can become permanent and challenging to clean, which can have a long-term detrimental effect on panel performance. The company installing the photovoltaic system cannot bear full responsibility for the quality of energy production when the system is not regularly cleaned. Panel contamination is an external factor beyond the control of the installing company. Therefore, it is essential for system owners to take responsibility for maintaining their panels' cleanliness to ensure optimal performance and the longevity of their photovoltaic system. We warmly encourage you to get in touch with us. If you have any questions or need further information, we are here to assist you. You can reach us at the phone number 760-345-0080 or visit our website at www.freevolt.com, where you'll find a wealth of information about our services. You can also check out our Facebook profile to stay updated on our news and offers. We are at your service and look forward to hearing from you. See you soon, and we wish you a fantastic day.